briefing room 4 immediately.
Come on, Seb, let's go!
All hands
Time for us
brace
to
for
deploy.
turbulence caused by rough atmospheric conditions.
Look at that. Shame we can't get any closer and just blast them away from up here. They've got some crazy anti-aircraft
Squad
system.
Alpha, report immediately to AC for pre-launch.
Shit, that's us! Let's go!
The beachhead units got pretty badly fucked up, but the second wave is
All
already on deck.
tactical officers submit
Point guy is
final
Captain
plans
Narva
to
leading
command
Avenger
oversight
convoy.
within the hour.
He's kicking Hig ass and taking names in the sorry square. Next stop is the Palace. Well, scuttlebutt is we're gonna be tasked to Narville. You know.
Chief Warren to contact engineering. Chief Warren
Jesus.
to contact engineering at once.
Yeah, astrogation tried counting the stone fruits.
Attention. All hangar chiefs report readiness
Garza,
stations
sir,
bridge.
need Evelyn. Our council scientists are tracking the
Lieutenant
nukes the
White.
Higgs stole.
Call for Lieutenant White
What about
in
the
the
nukes?
comms room.
Right now,
Lieutenant
no
White.
idea. The plan is to take Visaria alive and get him to fill us in on his plans.
Refueling operations in the aft hangar. Fireworks.
With a bit of
in
luck, we'll
effect.
kick a bit of ass and then escort Visari to the brig on the new sun.
I ain't got all day. I gotta get home in time to tuck Garza's mom in.
Units 20.
Check your
40,
gear. That
mounting
includes you,
in 3
Neko.
minutes.
Thing you forget, it's a thing to save your life.
How are the men holding up?
Yeah, they're ready. Just won't be let off their leash.
I wish I was going with you on this one.
I'll get along somehow.
I'm counting on it. Good luck, Rico.
Sir.
Okay, people, let's get this shit done. It's their planet this time. Keep your shit wide tight, okay?
Includes you, Garza. I'm not pulling your sorry ass out of the fire like back on Soren.
And who started the fire by opening up on the patrol?
Natko's just a natural-born diplomat. Fuck you.
Hey, check it out. Joe started.
Whoa, man! That's gotta send a message!
Man, I live for this shit. Natko? Yeah? May want to buckle up.
Here we go!
Yeah!
Holy crap!
No kidding!
You ever seen this before?
And Vector, baby!
Vector was locked into this shit.
You taste that?
Missile propellant. You don't want to inhale that stuff. Dust off soon as we hit. Regroup on me and Sam. No sightseeing. Hands down, keep low!
Incoming flash!
Oh, shit! Whoa! This is fucked up!
Hang on!
200 meters! We're dropping shore!
Crap! Move, move, move!
Unask this.
Come on!
Get to cover! Let's go! Everyone okay?
Yeah, pilot's been though.
Never better.
Whip it! Move it up!
Sam, this way! Come on! Come on, Sam! Move it! Sam, this way! Sam, move your ass!
Where's the captain? Killed another one! Watch out! Ground and elevated fire!
Templar, bridges down! We cleared the landing zone!
Copy that, Alpha. Be advised, reinforcements are inbound. Repeat, reinforcements on their way.
Copy that!
Welcome to the party, boys!
APC's coming through the floodgate! Shit! They're closing the floodgate! Taking the behind us first!
How are we gonna get through that floodgate?
All right! Gorst, you and Sam head up to the control room and open that floodgate. Narco, you keep watch. Convoy's coming in any time now, so look sharp.
Got it! Right's ready, Seb. Let's go! We can get up to the elevator over here. Come on, put your back into it!
Have they made it through the floodgate yet?
Negative. We'll hold here until reinforcements arrive.
Holy crap!
I need help! Somebody help me! Anybody! Help me! Somebody! Help me! Shit! Reinforcements!
Time to earn your pack.
Make them eat dirt!
Sev, Garson, convoy's in position. Get that floodgate open.
We're on it. Cover me while I hack the control box! Let's go.
Are you? Don't let them open the gates! Ah!
Use that valve to open the floodgate. Oh, man! You're cleaning that one up.
Floodgates are open. Floodgates are open. Sam, Garza, nice work. Convoy Punisher is getting ready to move. I want you two to stay on higher ground. Cover us from above.
You got it, Sarge. Come on. Let's go!
Convoy Punisher, you are clear to proceed. Move on through.
Nice shooting!
Allow me.
They're all over us! Keep them off us, Sam!
Trouble! Come on, Seb, let's go!
Can't get an angle on those RPGs! Shit, we're getting wasted down here!
That's the last of them. Good work. You guys keep covering us from high ground.
Looks like we have to go through here. Over here, Sev.
I'll kill you myself!
Don't let her relax!
Damn, Seb! Save some for me!
Hey, Garza! Pucker that asshole! I can smell you from up here!
Yeah, you're pretty familiar with that smell, aren't you?
you guys stationed at? Northern Beachhead by the Capitol! I'll send you a cold one when we get this convoy through! I'll hold you to that!
Shit! Keep her up, man! Nose up! Nose! Sam, Garza, keep those Higgs off the convoy! We're getting the crap kicked out of us down here! Someone move that wreck out of the way. Let's get this damn convoy moving.
Let's go check out and see if there's any survivors. Shit! That must be where they went down.
No! No!
Grab that rocket launcher. Let's wipe the city clean of these bastards. Shoot that weak spot on the door.
Where the fuck did you get to? We walked into a freaking shitstorm here!
On our way. Better move it.
Brutal!
Quick, into position!
Sam, Garza, convoy stalled. We're under fire! Clear out those RPGs in the tower!
Understood!
Stay down!
Okay, that hurt! Fuck! Tank! Tank! Take cover!
Can't get any closer with that MG
Get your
there!
asses kicked
Damn
here!
it!
Do something! And do it fast! Clear those frickin' bunkers!
There's a ladder over here.
Over here, Sam. We'll cover you.
Nice of you to join us.
Incoming RPG! Don't let up!
Medic! Help me up! I can't move!
Put him down! Light him up!
Sam! The tank!
They took out the driver!
You jump in and drive!
Another tank! Take it out, Sam! Shoot that tank, Sam!
Listen up, Alpha. Our scouts have spotted a full armored unit headed your way. Prepare for an artillery strike. Clear out.
Cruisers launching a rocket attack! They're gonna light up this whole area!
There they go. Good work, Alpha. We've got it covered from here. Right now, I need you in Vasari Square. Captain Narvel's pinned down there.
Captain Narvel is expecting you ASAP. Convoy's taking a real hammering.
Bizarre Square. Yippity fucking doodah.
Hurry up, Garza.
Good to go! I never saw anything like it before.
You don't say. All I know is Narvel's a piece of work. If he's in trouble, things are really heating up.